Hello traders, it's Jens here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another video for our live trading room this week. Today I have chosen, not many, like 3 pairs, but we will discuss something about another one, and I won't delay anymore. I will start with GBP New Zealand dollar. This week we didn't have a lot of movement, but we had opportunities like this one on higher settings. If you were on the live room, you would see that we've been having lower highs for some time now, and at the beginning of the week price started to go short, and as soon as we saw price moving back up again, here we had combined support area. So again, at this point, what could you do? Bounce short easily. Usually we try to find strong support and resistance levels to bounce on ranges or on trend lines, and here was a very good opportunity with an APO of 30, maybe 40 pips. Price has already moved like 160, 170 pips. That means first and second target. Incremental profits, like you already know through our system. That means 4 times our APO, even with this small, let's say within this small area. This is the whole point. We always try to create quickly our win-win scenario. Oil also gave us an opportunity. Again, here we had on higher settings a false breakout, a lower high. We got stopped out on oil twice because we saw price breaking this area. We went long and then we got stopped out. I think we went long here on much more lower settings. That was one opportunity that we took first target but not the second one, and then we went short and we got stopped out because of these spikes. And then I said, okay, twice. That means getting stopped out means either price is getting into a range or we are doing something wrong. Here it looked like price was getting into a range. You see multiple bottoms on this level. So what happened, we said, okay, now let's wait for something better for sure. So we said wait for an M24 retracement. And this was a very nice an M48 trendline break, false breakout, lower high, trendline break, crossovers 1 to 3, and with a very nice opportunity. We are talking about maybe 90, maybe 100 pips. Price moved 500, 600 pips. Definitely worth waiting for a good setup. We had recently, we had Nasdaq in our chart, so why not discuss, at least for the first time, Nasdaq. So we had a trend continuation. We had a very big 1 to 3 after multiple reactions, trend line break, and of course next best scenario would be a lower settings entry if you have missed that opportunity. So again, with an APO of 70 pips, we had the chance to create our win-win scenario, 300 plus pips, and probably you get stopped out with your last position running at 130 pips. So easily 4 times our APO, also on Nasdaq. We have also a CAD yen short. Actually, we have some positions running already since February. At the beginning, it's the first one. But on CAD yen, what happened, we went short with a bounce opportunity. We already have our first target and we might get also our second one. I wanted to mention that because actually it's long. We have a very powerful trend line break, we have crossovers, we have volatility, price is going long like crazy, we had some retracements also. Don't forget to adjust your lines when you go in lower settings. So why did we go short? We went short as a bounce because the previous time has reacted here. It went down more than 1000 pips. Once more, on a previous reaction, it went down 700 pips. Yes, I want to go long. Why not get these 700 pips, 500 pips, and then continue long? It's just adding into our piggyback. That is something, of course, that is yet to be seen if it worked or not. We are talking about with 3 trades, GBP, New Zealand dollar, oil, and Nasdaq, 13 times our APO, more than 1000 pips. And of course, these are not the only trades we took. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe and see you again Monday morning with our top-down approach. Cheers, everybody.